Sibuk siapa lagi?
Ayo.
Salah, oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to present about the problem solving about encouraging a reading habit among teenagers. So most of you know that in this generation there are many youngers or there are many teenagers that often using their gadgets, and also they are never watching and never reading books again. So this is I will tell about the problem. So the first is the problem is, however, many teenagers today spend for more time scrolling through their phone, social media, or playing games than reading a book. And for many of them, reading feels like boring, and also it makes you sleepy and even unnecessary compared to the instant excitement that digital entertainment offers. So this idea prevents from enjoying the real benefits of reading. And then also many teenagers today do not develop a regular reading habit simply because they lack access to the books that truly capture their interest. School libraries are often outdated, and also students have no interest in the book. And also students are also sometimes only interested to books that feel too difficult, like science book and many other books that make the students feel uncomfortable or it's difficult to read. And then in our country, Indonesia have struggles with low literacy rates because of many young people rather read outside school due to limited access to the books and the lure of digital entertainment, and also leaving their comprehension and critical thinking underdeveloped. And the next is, why is it matters? So this is a problem because reading helps us in many ways. It improves our language skills, opens your minds to new ideas, and give inspiration for life. And also teenagers who read regularly usually perform better in school, communicate more confidently, and are more prepared for future challenges in the schools. So the solution is, there is three solutions from me. The first is choose interesting book. So many of students haven't read the books because the books have no interest in their mind. So reading doesn't always mean heavy textbooks or heavy textbooks. So teenagers can start with novels, comics, or even ebooks that match their hobbies and interests. So choose the interesting books at the first. And then the second is create a reading community. Having a book club or online group or also the school group of books makes reading more fun because we can share the ideas and also discuss about the story together. And then the third is using technology. So in this era, the technology is more improving. So like audiobooks and ebook are great option for those who don't like traditional books or the physical books. And this can make the reading easier and more accessible. So the conclusion is, reading is not just an academic activity but a lifelong habit that builds knowledge and also sharpen thinking and shapes character. Teenagers today face countless distraction from technology, yet reading remains one of the most powerful ways to grow and prepare for the future. So, uh, by choosing books that match their interests, joining community that make reading enjoyable, and also using technology like ebooks or audiobooks, they can discover that reading is both fun and also meaningful. And let us remember that every page we read is an investment in ourselves. It strengthens our language, it enriches our imagination, and broadens our perspective. Then, if we begin with small steps, such as reading just a few minutes each step and improving to one day one page, we can slowly build a strong habit that will stay with us for life. And last is, Morgan Freeman said that literacy could be the ladder out of poverty. That's all from me. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.